Paul Mueller Company has had a positive experience on my career.
In the 25 years I've been here, no matter what I've wanted to do or what I've seen other people want to do, Paul Mueller Company helps them be the best they can be.
I started as a welder, ended up going back to school to be a designer. They paid for tuition reimbursement as well as had flexible hours for me. That has really benefited me because it helped me achieve and succeed more in both at the same time.
To get into a manufacturing career, you need to love figuring things out, love working with your hands.
We have cutting-edge technology, career growth, and also fruits of our labor. We get to see what we do every day and go home with a smile on our face.